We're going to just pretend we've broken down if somebody asks. But okay, let's go and have a look objectively. Follow the curb and clutch down to stop. Very nice. Terrific. Okay. So that was turning left. Let's move on to turning right. Oh, black and white cat crossing the road. Very good luck.
Yeah, I'll take it.
At the end of the road, turn right.
Yeah.
Now, I'd like to stop with the front of the car on the line.
Okay.
See if you can stop with the front of the car actually on the line. That's not bad. Put the handbrake on, go into neutral. We're just going to turn the engine off and get out and have a look and see where we are in relation to the line. We're going to just pretend we've broken down if somebody asks. But okay, let's go and have a look objectively and see where we actually are. So come over here. Look, we've got maybe a meter.
Yeah. Okay.
So if you're going up to a closed junction or something, you only see as much as possible. Let's see if you can put it on the line. Get into first gear. Just let me know when you think we're on the line.
About now.
Okay, let's have a look now. That's pretty good.
Pretty much on the line.
Good, but even there, you've still got a few inches more. Isn't it funny how the car seems to be over the line from back here? It seems like quite a long way over the line. Now, where is that white line of the junction in relation to your door mirror? Is it under the mirror? Is it?
It's on the. You can see it on the side of the mirror.
So it's just under the mirror. Is that right?
Yeah.
For you. So that's a pretty good reference. It means we can go at least this far without causing anyone any trouble.
Okay.
So we're not in anybody's way. If it was a really closed junction, that could be a crucial difference. You can't really see what's coming this way even now.
Yeah.
So you could go a little bit further forward even and you wouldn't really be causing anyone any trouble. Okay, let's carry on with turning right.
Okay.
And let's get into first gear. So we have a signal to the right. We're just going to go and stop over there by that little grassy spot. Don't forget your handbrake. So let's edge forward a little bit more. Bring the, looking to the, that's it. And let's just stop down here by this grass down here. Clutch down, stop.